Okay, pellet gun shooting. Hattie goes first. That sounds like it hit.
Good, not just a regular. What are we gonna pop it up on?
Huh?
I don't know. Probably like here.
Yeah!
You know where I'm going now.
Woo, you shot something. I heard a hit. I don't know if you shot the wood.
Go. Let's go check what we shot. If we did 10.